welcome today to my channel. I hope that you guys had a lovely week and are enjoying your weekend today. So guys, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to share actually what I got for my birthday. So it is such a beautiful piece that I really wanted to share it with you guys. Everyone that is thinking to buy this piece, I would definitely say go for it. So I just really happy that I've got this piece. I know many of you that have been here for a while know which piece this is going to be, but just it's so amazing, you guys. So this is the birthday present that I got. It is from Cartier and I'm really happy about this one. It is also in the most beautiful Cartier box. I think this is just so beautiful. By the way, one of you guys I think asked me how to pronounce Cartier, and it is literally not Cartier or how other pronounce it, but I actually asked again and it is Cartier. So it is with a hard R, so it is really a little bit French, so you have to say Cartier. So that is just like one thing that I wanted to get like out there. I hope that I'm pronouncing it right, but that is I think how the French person pronounced it. So anyway, back to the unboxing. I think this is one of their most beautiful box that I got, and I actually also heard that from the person that brought out the box. She's the most amazing essay that I have. She's so lovely and always really kind, and she knew that I was thinking about this piece for the longest time. It has been on my wish list I think for over a year now, and it was still on my wish list, and this year I thought I would go for it because it was kind of like time, I think, in regards to my collection to add something that wasn't like a daily piece, but maybe more of a statement piece. So let's unbox it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just putting it down because this is a really heavy box. So in the box you see like the regular Cartier box, and then you guys, it is in the most wonderful beautiful box. So opening it up, I hope that it just doesn't fly out. This is the piece. It is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. So this is the nail Juste Clou necklace, and I just love it. So let me take it out. By the way, you guys, such a beautiful box. You see like what I mean? It's like in this beautiful big box. It's gorgeous. I just love these boxes from Cartier. They're like so elegant and cute, timeless, beautiful color. So this is the necklace I'm going to show you guys. It has beautiful diamonds in between, and you can see the full necklace like this. Really gorgeous. It's amazing, and as I said, like I really like the details here in the necklace. Really gorgeous. It also like got the diamonds on like both sides, so it's kind of like a full round up diamonds. Just wanted to show you guys that. So the way it opens up is that you kind of like have to click this side open, and then you're going to bend it like so, and you can put it around your neck. I had it actually the wrong way, so now it's kind of like resting on my neck. And so you guys, you can see how beautiful it's just lands on my neck. It is like a beautiful choker. So I'm really happy about this one because it was going to be my statement piece of this year, and I'm so happy that I was able to buy this one for my birthday. Any of you guys are thinking about adding this one to your collection, it's a definite yes for me, and it's just so beautiful. Now regarding to the size, I have, I think the smallest size that they have, I think it's a size 22. Check if I can see the size. I don't think like they have the size on it. Normally they do have the size from everything on stuff, but I don't see this one. But I think it's 22 inch, and it's the smallest size that I have, but it just fits perfectly. I think the thing you want to remember with this beautiful nail necklace is that it has to sit on your collarbones, so it really has to fall beautifully on your neck, otherwise you will get this really strange look of it. And the first time I tried it, actually I got one that was too big for my neck and I just didn't like the way that it looked on me. But now trying this beautiful one, which had like the perfect size, made a huge difference and make me just pull the trigger that I just wanted it. So I'm really happy with this birthday present, and I'm super excited that I get to add this one to my collection. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for joining me today in unboxing my beautiful birthday present, and I think it's wonderful. But let me know what you guys think of the Juste and Clou nail necklace. Would it be something that you would like to add to your collection, or you think that is like a no-go, is just not a piece for you? If you do, also let me know why you think that, because I'm really curious. So guys, for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like to see more videos of this, and also the notification bells so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.